Dean with I Buy Cool Stuff. We're out here at my favorite flea market, Middle Belt Flea Market. It's first week of January, and it's a pretty nice day. It's not cold, cold, and there's people here, so we're going to shop a little bit. Don't know how long.
I have to go to the dealer and find out. Huh? I find out. Yeah, I'm still learning. Hey?
How much is the box of Nintendo stuff? Got no ideas. I don't do Nintendo stuff, but if it had been $5, I'd have bought the son of the bitch. But I ain't paying $200. Look at all these telephoto lenses and stuff. Wow, somebody got a camera inventory. I would take it if it's cheap, but it ain't gonna be cheap. I had one of them when I was a kid. Like I said, don't know what's going to show up. What the hell is this? It's cute, but I got no clues what it is. Hey, what's up? What's the bow?
I just bought it.
What kind is it?
Hold on. I just looked it up. Loxley Puma. I just looked it up. They're selling for $170 on eBay. That's last sold. I just bought it for $15.
Cool bow.
It's fun to shoot at a target.
Well, I'd buy it if you were interested in selling it. Hey, what's up?
Hey, Dane.
Happy New Year. Well, what do you mean, where have I been?
I ain't seen you around.
I've been up north.
I know you have.
Why would I be here?
I don't blame you.
You got any wiper blades?
You know how much I sell these online? They all come up blank. I sell them online.
All the guys standing around the fire.
What's going on, Captain?
What's up, Florin?
Happy New Year, man.
Happy New Year, man.
You look like a Russian pirate.
A Russian pirate.
What's going on, man?
Happy New Year. Everybody staying warm?
Yeah. Did you hear what's his face? The guy used to be by the gun shop, passed away a couple of weeks ago.
Yeah. Pat.
Pat, yeah, I see him here all the time.
Yeah. I ain't heard why yet, though.
Health issues.
I just seen him at the gun show just before Christmas.
Health issues.
He didn't seem to have any. Obviously, it was health issues.
There's one on
A hippie? A hippie? I don't know.
The only thing we can do.
Right. How we doing?
Good, good. Oh, well, not too much this morning, so it was a nice bow. Somebody beat me to it for 15 bucks, but anyhow, all right. So, God bless you, and God bless America.